What is spousal impoverishment protection for Medicaid? Imagine a couple where one person needs long-term care in a nursing home and the other wants to stay in their home comfortably. How can they protect their assets and income? That's where spousal impoverishment protection comes in. These are federal rules designed to keep the healthy spouse from losing everything when their partner applies for Medicaid. When one spouse needs Medicaid to pay for care, the rules allow the healthy spouse, called the community spouse, to keep a certain amount of assets and income. This helps them stay out of poverty while the other spouse gets the help they need. The main idea is to balance Medicaid eligibility with protecting the family's financial stability. One key part is the Community Spouse Resource Allowance. This lets the community spouse keep a set amount of assets, which in 2023 was up to around $148,620. Assets like the family home, vehicles, and personal belongings are usually exempt from this calculation. This prevents the healthy spouse from having to spend all their savings just to qualify the other spouse for Medicaid. Another important rule is the minimum monthly maintenance needs allowance. This guarantees the community spouse has enough income each month to cover basic living costs. For example, in New York in 2024, this amount was about $3,216. If the community spouse's income falls below that, they can receive a portion of the institutionalized spouse's income to meet this minimum. Medicaid income and asset limits are strict. To qualify, the spouse needing care must meet specific limits, but the rules treat them as a single person for eligibility. Meanwhile, the community spouse's resources are protected. These protections are vital because they help prevent the healthy spouse from becoming impoverished due to high nursing home costs. Elder law attorneys help families plan by applying these rules carefully. They might suggest transferring assets or adjusting income to stay within Medicaid limits while safeguarding the family's financial future. Recently, these protections have expanded to include home and community-based services, not just institutional care. This means seniors can often stay in their homes without risking financial ruin. When applying for Medicaid, professionals look at the couple's combined assets and income. They use the Community Spouse Resource Allowance and minimum monthly maintenance needs allowance to set limits. They also plan how to transfer or allocate income and assets to maximize protection. This careful planning helps families avoid unnecessary hardship and keeps both spouses financially secure during tough times.